I'm Garry Hamilton. My company's called Garry Hamilton Limited. We're based in Leicestershire. We've been a Mitsubishi Electric Partner for 8 years now. As a company, we've installed about 500 Ecodans. In this property, we specified the 8 kilowatt R290 heat pump and 250 litre pre-pump cylinder. We are business solution partners. We get a 7-year warranty on the unit outside and a 3-year warranty on the cylinder inside, which is peace of mind for the end user and the installer. We use the Relationship Development Fund. We can get free clothing. We get support from Mitsubishi with corporate entertainment. They also do our advertisement for us through the RDF fund, and we also have free training. Any new products that are coming out, we can go on the training courses at their facilities throughout the country. This lead came to us through Find My Ecodan tool, and we've then made contact with Phil and Zena.
My name's Phil, this is my partner Zena, and we live in a small little village near Daventry in Northamptonshire. When we first moved in here in November last year, the heating system was an oil system. The boiler was probably 15 years old. We heard about the boiler upgrade scheme from the government, and then that's what made us decide to look at going down the heat pump route. We walked into the Ideal Home show and started looking around, and then in the distance we saw George Clark. George showed us the Find My Ecodan tool, and we went through that with him. We input all our information, where we lived, how much we were spending on oil.
Once we put our postcode in, they gave you companies in your area, gave us more confidence in that we were going to have somebody in the house who's going to do a good job and not somebody we'd have to find on our own. And Garry Hamilton was at the top, so we decided to go with him.
We were very happy with the installation.
Before I used to go through different rooms, different temperatures, but now every room is constant temperature. I love it.